It's time now for another Harrod's Cookhouse recipe brought to you by Mickledge, the Spokane Spice Company. Today we are making sweet and spicy kokanee bowl. Start by removing skin from a large kokanee fillet and cutting meat into 1-inch squares. In a bowl, whisk together soy sauce, sriracha, honey, minced garlic, water, and Harrod's Cookhouse Sunrise to Sunset seasoning. Add fish pieces and refrigerate for about an hour. For toppings, slice cucumbers and avocados, prepare edamame in Harrod's Cookhouse Fin and Field sauce. Gather sesame seeds and red pepper flakes. Cook marinated fish in a skillet until slightly brown and then add remaining marinade and reduce. Layer fish and toppings over a bed of rice and enjoy. For this and other great fish and wild game recipes, visit the Harrod Outdoors website and YouTube channel.